These are all things that you should not do at 11 p.m. That is the title of this video. It's, oh shit, it's almost 11 at night. Okay, but I'm hungry and I want BULDAK. I know I'm supposed to be on a diet, but sue me. And this is what we're eating. The pink package, duh. I just got these and I don't really know how to use it. Oh, like that. Okay, now we wait. Now we wait for the water to boil. My least favorite part. So hungry now. Let's get the other ingredients. Cheese, sour cream. Damn, I should have got more of this today. Milk. I never got to drink my coffee today. You should not be drinking coffee and making BULDAK. Oh well, felt sad earlier, so I got some cheesecake for myself. I'm gonna give you guys a fridge tour while we wait for the for the damn water to boil. And then some like funfetti cake that I could not wait to eat. I laid in bed eating this and it was something that I hope everybody gets to experience at least once in their life. I feel like the water is boiling. Like it sounds like it's boiling, but I'm gonna regret this, like so bad. But it's gonna be worth it. What did I use last time? Oh yeah, okay, onion powder. And the parsley flakes. This is the lineup. I went in salt and pepper. Or not salt, pepper. Good. Okay. And then a little bit of the sauce. Not a whole lot because it'll give you diarrhea. Aren't my salt and pepper shakers so cute? I'm gonna just eat this out of the pan because, girl, me and dishes, we be enemies. We be rival gang members, okay? Hopefully y'all can fucking see me all the way over the fuck over there. That's what we're working with. We almost out of this bitch. I'm not leaving it in the pot because it's too damn hot. I know you fucking want a bite. Yeah. Okay, we gonna eat this now. Go part 2.